Operations and maintenance, O&M, are crucial aspects of facility management, focusing on ensuring that all systems, structures, and assets within a facility operate efficiently, safely, and sustainably. The role of O&M can be divided into key functions that support the overall functionality, longevity, and quality of a facility. 1. Ensuring optimal performance. Operations involve the daily activities required to keep a facility running smoothly, including routine tasks and managing resources such as energy, water, and HVAC systems. This ensures that the facility is comfortable and fully functional for occupants. Operations ensure that a facility's setup is managed well, provides a good work environment, follows laws, meets financial goals, uses utilities efficiently, and protects the community and environment. Maintenance focuses on keeping all assets, equipment, infrastructure, and systems in good working condition. It includes preventive maintenance, regular checks and repairs to prevent breakdowns, and corrective maintenance, addressing issues as they arise. Maintenance ensures that all parts of the infrastructure are regularly serviced to keep them running efficiently, reliably, and safely. This includes scheduling and performing routine, preventive, and corrective maintenance tasks. 2. Cost efficiency. Effective O&M strategies help reduce operational costs by minimizing unexpected repairs, extending the life of equipment, and improving energy efficiency. Routine maintenance can prevent costly emergency repairs, and well-managed operations can lead to lower utility bills. 3. Safety and compliance. Facility management teams ensure that buildings comply with safety regulations, health codes, and industry standards. Proper O&M reduces risks such as equipment malfunctions, which can lead to safety hazards. Compliance with safety standards also protects the organization from legal liabilities. 4. Improving asset longevity. Through regular maintenance schedules, facilities can maximize the lifespan of assets such as HVAC units, electrical systems, plumbing, and structural components. By performing maintenance based on the condition and usage of assets, facility managers can prevent early wear and tear, postponing the need for replacements. 5. Enhancing occupant experience. A well-maintained facility improves occupant satisfaction and productivity. By ensuring that spaces are comfortable, safe, and functional, O&M contributes to a positive experience for employees, customers, or tenants. For commercial facilities, this can lead to higher retention and occupancy rates. 6. Sustainability and energy management. O&M teams often focus on energy efficiency, working to reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. This may include initiatives like optimizing lighting systems, managing HVAC operations, and implementing water-saving practices. Sustainable O&M practices are critical for facilities aiming to achieve green certifications or improve their environmental footprint. 7. Data collection and analysis. Modern facility management relies on data from various sources, including building management systems, Internet of Things devices, and maintenance software. This data helps O&M teams make informed decisions, plan for predictive maintenance, and analyze equipment performance to optimize resource allocation. 8. Emergency response and business continuity. O&M teams are responsible for preparing for and responding to emergencies, such as power outages, natural disasters, or equipment failures. They develop contingency plans and ensure critical systems have backups or redundancies. This aspect of O&M helps maintain business continuity and reduces downtime during unexpected events. Summary. In facility management, the O&M functions serve as the backbone that keeps buildings operational, efficient, and safe. Through systematic planning, proactive maintenance, and a focus on sustainability, They enhance asset longevity, reduce costs, and improve the overall experience for facility users.